changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
Okay, here we go again. This bag weighs an absolute ton today, but let's go. For a climb, this stunning day. Perfect. Got a little table as well. Ideal that. Okay guys, how is everyone doing? Absolutely stunning day over the Pendle Hills, crystal clear. Hopefully it'll stay this way. It's absolutely really warm, the sun is warming up, it's beautiful. Cold this morning, I wrapped up, didn't really need to, awesome. Okay guys, keeping it simple today. King prawns, red Thai curry, coconut milk and some naan breads to go with it. Beautiful day, beautiful view, love it. Thai red, curry paste. We're nearly ready now. It's thickened up quite a bit. I'm not bothered about it being too thick, because I'm going to dunk my naan breads into it. Lovely. Guys, I'm nowhere near the best cook in the world, I don't claim to be. And if you give me recipes and everything, I'll probably mess them up. But simple things like this, simple things in life, guys. I just love cooking outdoors. Everything seems to taste so much better. Simple stuff, love it. Okay guys, what a sunset, I'll just spoil it for you. Thanks for watching, please do like, share and subscribe. It's simple things like this that make you feel great, and it doesn't cost a fortune. Get out and try it, honestly, you'll love it. Anyway, until next time, you lot take care, speak soon.